From KGUN in Tucson, Arizona, sex offenders arrested by Border Patrol.
Border Patrol agents arrested a convicted sex offender near Lukeville. That happened on Saturday. 28-year-old Marvin Flores Gamez from Guatemala is now in custody. The agency says he was convicted of sexual assault in New Jersey in 2014 and then sent to state prison. He was removed from the country 4 years later. In an unrelated case now, 57-year-old Zenobio Herrera Hernandez was arrested Thursday near Douglas. That man convicted of sex crimes in Washington state. Border Patrol says the issue extends beyond the border.
This one individual was out of Bergen County, New Jersey. That's pretty far away from the border. The other one was in Washington. So, we're talking about a coast-to-coast problem here when we have these sex offenders coming into the United States. So, this isn't just a problem that stays at the border. It essentially the country as a whole.
Both men face federal charges for re-entry of a previously deported felon.
All right, this is a difficult one. How can sex offenders be tracked internationally? Donald's right. So this is frightening because you've got sex offenders caught in this country, do their time, sent back, and they just come back in. And we have no idea they're coming back in. We have no idea where they are. They aren't registering.
That's a fact.
Yeah, Vinny, it is a fact that it's more difficult to monitor people, obviously, when they leave our country and they're in other places. The one thing that should be known, though, is that our law enforcement agencies have pretty good relationships with a lot of agencies throughout the world, and they do communicate. And when the word gets out that you got a sex offender in your neighborhood, I don't care what country it is, that person is probably not wanted. And a lot of times these agencies will do what they can to bring the person back into the United States or to turn them over to authorities. As a law enforcement officer, I've been in a couple of those cases, meeting people at the border to pick them up because the family and the neighbors don't want that person in the neighborhood. It is a problem, but once they get back into the United States, we know who they are.